So this is the date when I broke my long natural nails, and this is my worst break. It literally hurt so much. The nail lifted from my skin underneath my nail bed, and there was blood. And honestly, when I was filming this, I could barely even remove it with acetone because it hurt, and then I couldn't even file my nails. I had to go little by little because it hurt too. And then a week later, after the break, but I did manage to make sure to patch it up, add some glue, and that's basically it. And I just left it, and a week after break, this is what we have. And then now I'm able to actually cut the nail and just make everything the best way possible. Then I added some nail oil to make sure that everything is nice hydrated and just nourished with some oil, and I will link my videos. They're very helpful and why I do this. But then I just push back my cuticles, and I did this kind of video to just show you guys the process that goes behind the scenes of me breaking my nail. And I will definitely have you up to date with what is happening, because I want to present to you what you can do if you break your nail and how to actually grow out your nails and make them all the same length, which is something that I have to do. It's a must for me. So you can see now that my nail has grown, I'm actually going to go back and file them all again. So yeah, I filed them all again, just straight across, file them to make them square. And yeah, I mean, I could left them to grow out, but I don't like uneven shape on my nails. I just really love when everything is the same length, very clean, sharp. That is something that I want, and that's what I did. And I will keep you posted on process on this nails, how they grow and stuff like that. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all so much, because the feedback on my last video was amazing, and I really am blessed to have you here on YouTube. So sending so much love to all of you watching and all my positive vibes, and let's keep this a positive place for us and never let anyone dull your sparkle. Until next time, watch some of my other videos, and I will see you in next one. Bye.